Morning guys, today we've got here VIVO X300 Pro and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer and roll keypad and enter secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. Here we've got device information with IMEI and serial number, so if you wish to get IMEI number pretty quickly, it's the best method. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can also find it via settings. So at first, locate the settings, then scroll all the way down, mark about phone, and here select status info. And now you've got IMEI numbers over here. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.